Afternoon, everybody. This is Maida, Mrs. Garden, the one and only. How's everybody doing today? All right, I'm making a video today. A lot of stuff going on. I've been so busy. I really haven't had time to do any videos. But today I'm doing a video. And today, as usual, I'm doing 1,000 things. Let me get the love out the way. I love everyone who's watching. I love you, I love you, I love you. Remember, there's always time for love. Hey, Mrs. Garden. Yeah, don't forget that. Loving it. Long time. Okay, so my shop is popping here at my house. And let me see. I'm in here putting some pieces together for a shirt. I got a client coming later. Actually, a brother, he's doing his own clothing line, so I'm helping him design and develop his clothing line. So this is something big right now that I'm doing, helping somebody from the beginning, and also getting ready for Jamaica. Leaving for Jamaica soon. Buju Banton. Long walk to freedom. If you ain't going, I feel sorry for you, baby. This is like Bob Marley coming to life and doing a concert, okay? This is his first one. I think Buju gonna do his thing. Jamaica's gonna be on fire. I'm so blessed to be in Jamaica at this time. Going to Jamaica at this time. Had to bust out one of my other machines. And got one for my stuff. And I can flip around. Come to the other machine and get working. Yeah, I got them popping. This one right here. This is my embroidery machine, which I got to get threaded with some green because the shirt I'm making for this guy is green. Picking up my pattern pieces here. I had to make the pattern pieces from scratch for him. So now it's a little costly. But I do it because I love it. And yeah, I do it because I love it. And not to mention this stuff I have to do too. So I'm leaving in like so many days. I ain't gonna tell you. The concert's the 16th, so you know I gotta be in Jamaica before the 16th. Know that. I heard you shouldn't always give your exact locations all the time. Because people are cray-cray. I don't want nobody coming after me, honey. I got stuff to do. Okay? Shout out to Annie's. Not getting no check. Music in the background. I have no rights to. That's fresh off of YouTube. Where's my tablet? See? That's what that is. That's what I'm listening to. Reggae One Drop Culture. Always keep the fire burning. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick video. Looking outside. Wanted to just do a quick video to let everybody, give everybody an update of what I'm doing. Still working on these videos. When I come back from my trip, I'm going to get me some equipment. I'm going to get some lighting. And get me a new camera so I don't have to use my phone. I hate using my phone because God knows if a call coming, I'll be so mad interrupting my videos. But everything is wonderful. Everything is up, up, up. I want to give a special shout out to my husband. I'll see you soon, sweetheart. I love you so much. Thank you for always keeping the fire burning. We'll see you soon. Buju, we're going to be there together. We're going to have such a wonderful time. This is my first stage show in Jamaica. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am beyond blessed. I am not worthy, Lord. I am not worthy. Bow down to the Father for making this happen. And I thank you, God, so much for that. Okay, I'm going to get back to work pretty soon. I'll show y'all some of the stuff that I finished. And let y'all know that I'm always grinding, stay busy. If I'm not busy, I must be dead. Everybody have a wonderful day. Remember, there's always time for love. I love you, I love you, I love you. Peace. Soon, I'll show y'all Jamaica. So beautiful. I'll show you from my eyes why I love Jamaica so much. That'll be real soon. I'll probably try to do 2 more videos before I actually leave. And that 3rd video will probably be me in the airport. I gotta be there at 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, my flight leaves at 6, so I'll probably be there about 3:30. Make sure my bags are under 50 pounds. Make sure the bags are under 50 pounds because they get you. I always check 2 bags going and check 1 coming back because I'm always carrying so many things with me when I go to Jamaica. Don't bring much back because I'm not coming back eventually. So when I take my loads, I pretty much leave them. So we'll see. Miss my family, miss my husband so much. But everyone have a lovely evening, rest of your day. I always like to show my rings. That's how I let my husband know, you know. Y'all don't know Mary Tyler Moore, but she'll do that to let people know. This is my way of letting my husband know. It's us together forever. Right? One love.